Hi guys, we arrived to Punanga Market, so I'm just going to go around and film everyone, okay? Yeah, come along. We're just going to go over to where the fish place is, just to see if there's any more of that flying fish that they have here. Oh, I don't think so. It looks like everything's locked up. No, I don't think so. Everything looks locked up. She gonna get the old lady a hat. Yes. How much a hat? That one she's got on? 15? Yeah. Okay, hold. Oh yeah. Number 5 yet. Oh.
So just over here we're going to have a look.
This is my mama in a hat. Huh? Filming you. Huh? Yeah. Hi girls.
Hi.
Can I have one please?
I can open.
Yes please.
Hi. Hi. Hey, look there, Robert. Hi.
Thanks. What do you say? Thank you. I'm joking. Huh? No. Thank you. Thank you very much. Take it easy. Bye. Aku pulang. Lari. Super. That's beautiful. Oh, there's some here. Oh, nice headband, Maya. Oh, what's that? Lemonade. Oh, you gotta give me some lemonade. Oh, hang on. Look at that, guys. So.
There you go, my darling.
Hey, can I have two, please? So you see that bag of cattle already peeled and chopped up for $20? Anyway, come and grab your one, please. Yeah, come on, grab. That's yours. That's mine.
You like it?
Took him a while to answer. You better watch it, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
It's beautiful.
Look at that. Lemonade, guys,
Yeah.
refreshment.
Con măng có quên thuốc avocado đâu.
Oh, blue sky. Hello. This is where I want to come one day and have something nice to eat. Yeah, kia ora, Anna. All right, thank you.
Yes, most of these jewelers, they're all made from dried seeds.
Yeah.
This is them in their raw form.
Oh,
So what we've done to them, we cleaned them, grilled them, dried them, and varnished them. We're allowed to take it as dried products.
yeah.
And they're different kinds of seeds. These are black beans, I'll call them kaka.
Okay.
These are puka, lantern little marbles. And these are boys, Jacob's teas.
Okay.
Our varnish we use is moisture cured varnish. It protects them from our sweat. From us wearing it all the time.
All the time.
The varnish will get
Oh, that's good.
Well, welcome to the Cook Island, ladies.
Yeah, thank you.
Beautiful day.
You too. Laura, please. I'm just going to look at these necklaces here.
And then we also have some more products. I ran out of the earrings that normally go with my pendants because I sell them as sets.
Yes.
And these are the mother of pearl shell. That's where the black pearls right next to it.
Okay. But this is not varnished, eh?
No, that's natural.
Natural. Okay. Okay. So how much is this?
That one, this price would normally be 55, but if you buy it as a set, it's $100. This one is I would say it will be this size, and this one will be a little bit longer.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to try it on if you
No.
want to. Because my ropes I use is nylon knitted rope.
So how much is this on its own?
By itself, that's $55. Yes, these.
And how much is this?
That one is 65. That's a one of a kind necklace. No
Yes.
one has it.
Yeah. So this is
55 and that's 65.
okay. Yeah, I'm not into this, but I like these two.
And
That's all right.
I'll let you know. My silver earring hooks I use is surgical brass silver.
Yes.
They're good for those ladies who always get infection from gold and silver.
Oh yes. Oh
I'm one of those ladies. I always
yes,
get
my daughter too.
And I always cry to my mother because she's my boss. So she finally bought surgical brass silver.
Oh, that's
So huge demand for the earrings for the ladies. Sometimes I gotta tell the regulars, shh, shh. And they're like, I lost my wallet. Joy of being a local when you come across the locals.
yeah. I'd be interested to get this one, please, and this one.
Would you
Yes.
like me to pack them away in different gift bags for you?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Now you have to protect it from your family, my dear.
Yeah.
My customers are well known, their families are well known for taking their
You're lucky my kids are not into it. Maria, dia mengasau udah. Kay doa foi mea ye Faye ula sa moa a. Mea ye. Yeah. Pas puluh. Yeah. Excuse me, can I also have this as well, please?
My dear,
One of these
that
ones.
one?
Oh, you took. Do they all have the price tag?
Yes.
You don't have to take that one. Oh, okay. I thought I'm taking the one with the price tag on it.
Oh, that's fine. We make sure we type in the original name of our product.
Oh, good. Then I know. Thank you. No, she wants to wear it now.
Oh, sorry, miss. Even this one is for sale. I'm just modeling it. Thank you.
Oh, she doesn't even take off the name.
Yes.
I mean, it's le mea there.
Yes, sorry. This is actually for sale. I just modeled one of a kind.
Oh, no, it's all right. It makes it look like,
Thanks.
someone might want to, come over and buy one. Does it look? Yeah, look, you look pretty.
You need to go to my house.
Yeah, no, he was talking to you. He was talking to you? $160. Grab me a 50. Give me a 50, I'll sort it out after. Oh, hang on, I might have it. Yeah, here. How much? Where are you?
$160.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Now you gotta watch out for your friends, because that's normally the men's.
Yeah, I'll put one for my brother from Samoa.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom, can I have a piece?
Thank you very much. Where are we off to now? Donut? Oh. That donut we got the other day was really nice, hey? Okay, some donut. Oh. Mga ila ulele si fa malu ah.
And if you want to purchase the same quality material in a town area behind me, it will cost you $19 to about $50.
We might. Wow.
Yeah, try
So, purchase over here and I put on a
This is amazing because we go
at the entrance way coming in the Punanga Market, we have 3 vendors that are giving away lotion or pamphlets, whatever
Lime
you
with the
call it.
coconut, it's amazing. She said it was good.
Please acknowledge those people. Grab hold of the brochure, read them, and you know more about Rarotonga. The first one, we have the Anarchy Adventurers there, under the the yellow tent. And then we have Raro Safari Tour, and at the same time we have Island Paradise. But if you want to make a booking for Island Night tonight, over here at the Punanga Market, we have Papa Timmy.
Some people are so
Next door to
gifted.
the old building. So if you want to go out Island Night tonight at Edgewater, something up in Martiniere. So all you have to do is go and see Papa Temu, make a booking, or even you can pay to Papa Temu, and he will tell you more about it. So those are things that I'm trying to advise all our visitors and our families from around New Zealand, Australia. And later on we're going to have a live show here, especially with our young dancers.
Oh, my grandson, yeah. Cool coconut.
You'll be entertaining everybody here. And again, those Cook Island families here, over here, the Punanga Market, we also have our very own tea way. Auntie Vicky over there with the tea way, and so your own tea way. So if you want to have a tea way, one cheater. So your own tea way, the huts over here, those beautiful ladies over there are contributing. So your own tea way. Ladies and gentlemen, our visitors tea way is a special bed spread. So if you want to know more about it, Auntie V on my right, and so your own tea way on my left. Here we are. There's something for you to think about. Yeah, special bed spread that goes with 21st
So guys, if you want to come into Cook Island and you want some fishing, there's a place you can go to Safari Charters.
That's how special those bed spread are.
Obviously they catch a lot of fish.
So go and see them, visit them, and they will tell you more about it. And again, crowds.
Hello.
Crowds and crowds.
Just filming and putting it on YouTube for, telling people if they want to come here and they want some fishing, just come in.
Good advertisement for us. Thank you.
It's also here. They put on it.
So guys, there's another place you can go and, go fishing. So if you want, you can go fishing. And look them up, and you can get real professionals taking you out.
Rugby League Association. Here they're selling the t-shirts and the design of the Cook Island Rugby League Association designs on t-shirts, tank tops. So go and see two beautiful ladies over there, Mina and also Auntie Beta. There we are. They are under that big tree over there.
Hey, me.
They are selling those on behalf of the Cook Island Rugby League Association. Right behind me on my right, we have Choice Hero. Ladies and gentlemen, and if you want to have a Cook Island traditional tattoo, here on my left over here, there, a particular hut over there, climb necklace, Yeah, we will tell you more about our Cook Island traditional tattoo. Go and see them and get yourself a Cook Island traditional tattoo. Even we have the Raro cloth bags. Raro cloth bags, ladies and gentlemen, just next door to the old building, right in the middle there. Over here, we're trying to ban the plastic bags. So that's why we have a vendor here that's selling our very own Raro cloth bags. So it's up to you, our visitors. If you believe that, I can see that some of you have plastic bags you wear. But anyway, we're trying to ban them. I would advise you get yourself a cloth bags over there, next door to that old building, right in the middle there. Lots and lot of things here. Even try our very own Cook Island food. Varieties of our food here. We have the Chinese Maijo. Here I can see a group of Chinese students that were performing last night. They're also here at the Punanga Market. Here, try your own food here. The Chinese or the Cook Island Chinese food. Right here with Maijo. Worth $100
thank you.
each. So if you want to win yourself a voucher, if you want to go out for an island night on Wednesday, yeah, put your hands up and then we'll